Now I'm going to teach you how to draw a realistic scenery by pen. First, you have to take a pen and a note. Then follow my step. This is a house of a villagers. This is a river and a man riding his boat. This is a tree. Kid flying his kite. And these are trees. And this is a road, a man riding his bicycles. And these are birds. And this is sun and clouds flying over the sky.
Drawing picture of the thumbnail actually was in my mind, but the real output is here.
Thank you. If you like my drawing skills, share it. And if you don't like it, then also share it. Thank you.